Let me show you how to use TabsMagic to make your web surfing more organized. Once you open a new tab, you can click the folder icon to create a new column and name the column whatever you want. All the current open tabs are in the first column. To rearrange, you can just drag and drop them to the Read Later column in this case. Here you can add a color to the item and add a note for your future reference. If you want to delete an item, just drag the tab into the bottom trash can. To create another new column, simply drag any tab to the open space, name it if you like. During your browsing of any site, you can use right-click to activate the content menu, then select Save it to the Tab Manager to add this page to your current column. Obviously, you can create as many columns as you like, add some notes when needed. When you click on any saved tab, the corresponding website will open. You can also open all the tabs in a column by clicking the left Open button. Everything you saved in all columns are already there in future browsing sessions. Hope you enjoy TabsMagic.